Question number 4. To check the ability of mathematics and the logic of student of a city, a private education institute gives a 20 puzzle based on these two subjects to 6 children selected from the various school. The number of puzzles solved by them is given below. The number of puzzles solved in mathematics are this, and the number of puzzles solved on the basis of logic are this. Now here they've told you to compute the correlation coefficient between the performance of a children in two types of puzzle using the given data. Now out of this data, remember, first of all we'll take the total of x bar and y bar, that is this. Take the total and 6 x bar, sigma x and sigma y, and after the calculation we'll decide the formula. So out of this calculation you can see the answer we found for x bar and y bar is in decimal. So here we are going to find out. Now out of this, the formula which we are going to use, just see the value. The value is not so large, so we'll use this formula. So first of all, let's write down the formula, that is correlation coefficient and sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y and under root n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square, then under root n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. So out of this, let's take out the information. We already have the x bar and y bar, x column and the y column. Out of this, first of all we need a sigma xy. So here we'll make a multiplication of this two column to find out xy, and the another thing we need is x square and y square. So that is what the column have to be find out. So first of all, let's make a calculation to get it multiplied. So 12 multiplied by 11, that is x multiplied by y, we will get xy. 12 multiplied by 11, we get 132. 8 into 10, 80. 9 into 4, 36. 10 into 7, 70. 8 into 13, 104. 11 into 16, 176. Get the total, that is 598. Next is x square. So 12 into 12, that is 144. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. 8 8s are 64 again. And 11 into 11, 121. Get the total, that is 574. Next is y square. So we'll just take the square of this column. 11 into 11, 121. 10 into 10, 100. 4 into 4, 16. 7 7s are 49. 13 multiplied by 13, 169. 16 into 16, 256. And here we get the total, 711. Now we are just going to take the information in our formula, and that is 6. Sigma xy, that is 598 minus sigma x, the total which we have done at the first, that is 58. Sigma y, the total of y column, that is 61. After taking them all, keep under root and 6. Sigma x square, that is 574 minus sigma x whole square. So first we'll take the total 58 and that have to be get square. Next, and 6 sigma y square, that is 711 minus sigma y, that is 61 whole square. So after getting this information, first of all let's get multiply this two number, that is 3588 minus get multiply this two number 58 into 61, we get 3538. Then get them multiply. Here we get 3444 minus 58 into 58. Here we get 3364. That we finish the one bunch. Moving to the next, 6 into 711. Here we get 4266. 61 into 61. Here we get 3721. Now just subtract this. This 2 will get 50. Out of this 2 subtraction, we get 80. The subtraction of this 2, which can be done in your calculator, you'll get this. Then multiply 80 into 545. We get 43600. Now remove the root of this. You will get 208.81. Remove the calculation, you will get 0.24. After completing calculation, don't forget to write down that here correlation coefficient between the performance of the children of 2 types of puzzle obtained 0.24. Next question. Question number 5. Find the correlation coefficient between capital in crore invested and the profit in crore from the following data. Here we can see the number of companies, their capital investment in crore and the profit in crores. So first of all, let's take into the table as we are going to find out correlation coefficient. After taking into the table, with the total, I remove the calculation for the x bar and y bar, and here the answer is in fraction, means not integer. So here we are going to use the formula which we have used in the last question. So out of this formula, I'm just get ready with the columns which I need to be calculated. So let's make a calculation for x and y. Multiply the x column and the y column. Remember, this formula only have to be used when the value is less, and in this question the value is less, so we are using this formula. Moving to the next information, that is x square. So just take the square of this column, that is 15 into 15, we get 225. Next, just continue with your calculator. You can make a calculation. And here we get the total 1838, and over here 1045. Y square, that is just a square of this column, 9 into 9, 81, 12 into 12, 144, and please continue with the same multiplication. And here the total is 606. The total of this will be sigma xy, the total of this sigma x square, and the total of this column is sigma y square. So just let's take into the formula, n, that is 7. Sigma xy, that is 1045, minus sigma x, that is 110. Sigma y, the total of y column, that is 64. Next, n, 7. Sigma x square, that is 1838. 1838 minus sigma x, that is 110 whole square. 7. Sigma y square, that is 606. Sigma y, that is 64 whole square. So after taking all the value, let's start the calculation. First get them multiply. Here you will get 7315. 110 multiplied by 64, you will get 7040. Next, 7 into 1838, we get 12866, minus, take the square root of take the square of 110, that is 110 multiplied by 110, you will get 12100. Next, 7 multiplied by 606, you will get 4242, minus 64 multiplied by 64, you will get 4096. Later, just take out the subtraction of this, that is 275. For 12866 minus 12100, you will get 766. Then remove 4242 minus 4096. You will get 146. then get multiply 766 multiply by 146, you will get 111836. Then remove the root of this number, you will get 334.42 and the answer is 0.82. So here we can say that here the correlation coefficient between the capital investment and profit obtained is 0.82. Moving to the next question. The following information is available for 5 students selected from the school regarding the average number of study hours per day and the average number of sleeping hours. So here is the study hours, and here the sleeping hours. Calculate correlation coefficients between the study hours and the sleeping hours. So let's take the information in table and get the total. Remove the x bar and y bar, and here I found the x bar and y bar is in integer. So here we are going to use the formula, the first which we have used in the first and second and even third question. So first take the formula, and out of this formula remove the calculation. Here I complete the calculation as we have already practiced for this. So here directly I am going to put into the formula, that is sigma x bar y bar and y minus y bar. The total is 16. Then under root for the sigma x minus x bar whole square, that is 28, and sigma y minus y bar whole square, that is 10. Out of this we'll get first multiply this 2, will be 280. Here the answer is in minus, so remember to keep in the minus. This is if we made such a silly mistake also, we can lose the marks. So remember and be focused. So remove the root of 280, we'll get 16.73, and if we remove the calculation of this, we'll get 0.96. So hence the correlation coefficient between the study hours and the sleeping hours obtained is 0.96. So here we'll write down. Don't forget to write down. After writing, moving to the next question. Question number 7. From the following information of the age and the blood pressure, find the correlation coefficient between the age and the blood pressure. So here the information is given. Let's take the information in tables. Here I took the information of x and y and get it total. Out of this total, first of all I remove the information of x bar and y bar, and here I found that x bar is an integer and y bar is fraction, but even I found something is the value is large. So remember which formula have to be used. अगर integer हो तो ये, decimal हो तो ये, but decimal में अगर the x bar या y bar में से value large हो, so you have to use this formula. So here we are going to introduce u and v. So let's first take the formula in the book. Here I wrote the formula of correlation coefficient, that is n sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v under root n sigma u square minus sigma u whole square under root n sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. This is very similar to the formula that which we have done with the xy. It's a one and the same formula. So now here we are going to introduce u with the formula x minus a upon cx. Now this cx, which has to be used when any number is going to multiply in the common number. If we check the number here, there is no single number is coming in the one single table. किसी एक टेबल में सारे ये नंबर्स नहीं आते हैं. अगर वैसा कुछ होता तो विल रोट दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर, पर यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिया है, तो विल एज्यूम cx as 1. So if I show you the calculation for this, for the first one, this is what you are going to do in your calculator. So first value is x, 58, minus a. Now a means any assumable number out of the column of x. Here you can take any number, the answer will be same, but still I will suggest to take a smallest number. So at least you will not get answer in minus. So here I can see the smallest number is 48, which I am assuming here 48, and divide by cx, that is 1. So just you have to make a calculation of 58 minus 48. Out of this calculation, here we get 10. In the same way, again take 55 minus 48 divide by 1, you will get 7. Please hold your calculator while going this calculation. X 65 minus 48 divide by 1, you will get 17. 52 minus 48 divide by 1, 4. This is how. Please continue with the remaining. And here we get the total of u 80, that is sigma u is equal to 80. Next, now when we are finding u and v, this process is not needable, but just for the explanation, as this is the first question I am explaining you related to the shortcut method, this has been shown. So moving to the next, for v, y minus b. Now from this column we can select any of the number. Here I prefer to select the smallest digit, that is 130. I am selecting here. Here you can see सबसे छोटा वैल्यू 130 का है और सबसे बड़ा वैल्यू 158 है out of this column. So here you can select the less one. At least the same reason you will not get any answer in minus. So here I am going to select y as it is. I'll take the y, but the b, that is I am taking 130 and cy. अगर इसको भी ध्यान से देखो तो 5 है, 0 है, 8 है, कोई भी ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जो एक ही टेबल में ये आए. So here again we are going to take 1. So please hold your calculator and do the calculation with me. 130 minus 130 divide by 1. So obviously it will be 0. 150 minus 130 divide by 1. You will get 20. Same for this. 0 for 130. 140 minus 130 will be 10 divided by 1. Obviously it will remain 10. Continue with the remaining. And here we get the total of sigma v, that is 130. After getting this, as per the formula, we need sigma uv, even we need u square and v square. So let's first remove the u square here. That is 10 multiplied by 10, 100. 7 into 7, 49. 17 into 17, 289. 4 4s are 16, 0. 20 into 20, 400. 14 into 14, 196. 8 8s are 64. So here we get the total of sigma u square as 1114. This all calculation may be different in the different book. So try to use your own method and you can choose any of the number. It is not compulsory to choose the less only. This I prefer at least to not to get any answer in minus. So I prefer to choose that. आपको जो चाहिए वो आप select कर सकते हो. And obviously all the answer of the solution will be different compared to your any of the friends, because यहाँ पे आप कोई भी select कर सकते हो. But at the end answer will be same. So here we'll check with the v square. 0 will be remain 0. 20 into 20, 400. Here also 400. 0, 100. Here I took 28 multiplied by 28, 784. 25 into 25, 625. And 10 into 10, 100. And at the end total sigma v square is 2409. Now the last column we need is uv. That is the multiplication of this two column. 10 into 0, 0. 7 into 20, there will be 140. 17 into 20 will be 340. 4 0, 0. 0 10, 0. 20 into 28, 560. 14 into 25, 350. 8 into 10, 80. So here sigma uv total will be 1470. So let's take all this information in formula. n, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if you want, you can write the thing like what you are going to take in the formula, that here n is equal to 8, sigma uv is equal to 1470, sigma u is 80, sigma v is 113, sigma u square is 1114, and sigma v square is 2409. After writing this, continue with the solution. N is 8, sigma uv, that is 1470, minus sigma u, that is 80, sigma v, that is 113, under root 8, u square is 1114, minus sigma u, that is 80, whole square, multiplied, n is again 8, v square is 2409, minus sigma v, that is 113 whole square. After putting the value, just remove the calculation. 8 multiplied by 1470, that is 11760, minus 80 into 113, you will get 9040, under root 8 multiplied by 1114, you will get 8912, minus 80 into 80, 6400, multiplication, the another root 8 multiplied by 2409 will be 19272, minus 113 multiplied by 113, 12769. Then just subtract the value, you will get this 2720. On subtracting this 2, you will get 2512. On subtracting this, 6503, 2720. Now get multiply this 2 number 2512 with 6503. You will get 16335536. Then remove the root of this. You will get 4041.72, and at the end you will get 0.67.